Good evening, everybody. It's 6 o'clock on a Sunday evening. As I said before, I'll say again, there is no better place to be than where we live at. So the rain was a welcome boost, and cooler temperatures great, especially this time of year when we know that it can be really hot. But God has blessed us, and we're cooler than where we have been in the past for sure. Well, today we are going to continue our study of Mark chapter 13. We will be in verses 24 through 37, the rest of the chapter. This is the third part to of course the three-part lesson series that I've been doing. We looked at the first the prediction of the destruction of the temple. We looked at the tribulation that was going to come along, and now we are going to look at the coming of the Son of Man. And remember, when the disciples asked the question, whenever Jesus told them that the temple would be destroyed, they asked, when will these things take place? And what will be the sign when all these things will be fulfilled? And Matthew has a little bit more distinction. Luke has an even bigger distinction of the questions. And Jesus tonight we will cover Jesus's answer of when he will be coming back. So if you will, open up your New Testaments to Mark chapter 13. I will read verses 24 through 37, and then we will discuss it. So if you will, read along with me. But in those days after that tribulation, the sun will be darkened and the moon will not give its light. The stars of heaven will fall, his elect from the four winds, from the farthest parts of the earth to the farthest parts of heaven. Now learn this parable from the fig tree, which has already become tender and puts forth leaves. You know that summer is near. So you also, when you see these things happening, I know you do not know when the time is. It is like a man going to a far country who left his house and gave authority to his servants, and to each him on